Pickles a gaijin Jamaican YouTuber. Let's go. Pickles a gaijin Jamaican YouTuber. Iki my show. Jamaican YouTube. You know, sister song done, my youth? Yeah, on to the video. Alright, so my weekend is not off to a good start. I went to get some money from Western Union, the one in Shibuya. That shop is closed and cleared out. And other Western Unions, I don't know if there's any. I'm searching, but I'm gonna have to find. Let's see, but look at. So anyway, so here and look at them, look at the police, look at them. Alright, so see that haircut. Ooh, this hot boy fresher than every time I leave the barber, me look hot. Girl and mommy know whether or not. Them. Yeah, so I'm out here checking how it's up. So yeah, that's about fun. But this is near Nerd Fest. I haven't seen yo-yos in a minute. What? What is going on? What is going on here? Homeboys with gloves and doing tricks. Paris walking the dogs. Oh. I had about 2 strongs already. It is just 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock. And I'm buzzing right now. Buzzing! Vibes for this blouse and skirt, you know. Yeah. Oh, them 2 cats. Watch out. Oh my goodness. What's going on there? I'm not need to say so. Yeah, man. We're out here in these streets of Shibuya. Just got my rouge. Gotta get the money, man. The money. See the money, yeah? Me and she's the partner, so the event is. But puss not. But she move at speed there. Yeah, so it's a nice sunny day out. You know what I mean? Please ensure to support my channel by copying the merch. May never come to Japan for suffer. There'll be some new merch going up soon as well. So if you want hoodies and stuff for the fall, pullovers, stuff, please make sure you copy and support my channel. Okay? Want to see me do it big? You gotta help me out, okay? Ooh, homegirl here looking what's up? Oh, sure, senpai, tencho. Arigato. Go to a pass for the night. This is Miss DJ Pass. Oh, drink ticket. これは大事じゃないか。いい感じ。マイクある？ないかも。マイクってどこにありますか？マイクのチェックをしたいんですけど。はい。I like the art though. これいい感じ。Huh? Yeah, man. Yo, I'm gonna tell you that right now. That girl there would have gear everything in my bank account. Kanpai minasan. Careful. Yes, sir. Now I have disaster, man. Woo! We're about to be all your nuts here. Let's do something. man, a beer man. 1 girl, 2 girls, out of 40 man. And them have them camera and them boom mic. And them look at the 2 holes here. Look at some big woman. So it's not even like them little bit cute, like how long them are singing. Tell us something about Japan. So you see, anyway, have 2 little girls that sing, them could have, once them cute, you see beer man, hi there, beer man there. Old man with them super camera, superimpose and go edit and go back them picture night time. Sorry, I mean they go and do stuff, whatever they want to do. But yeah, this is so weird. Idol code. Jeep porn. Look on the Jeep, dog. Damn. Yo, man, yo, remember, where is I? Sorry, I didn't mean to go involved tonight. People, look on this, yeah, boy. Oh, Jeep. Woo! Cigarette. So, yeah, boy. Oh, come on, yeah, boy. Yo, they got money. Bumbo seat there? Yeah. Jump in that Jeep now. Trouble? Yeah, wow. What's about that? Shall I go down the road and jump in that Jeep? Yeah, boy. Watch, no. Eh? Sige. Kakwe. Bate. Kiko da. Kore ichiban kakwe da. Kiro. Yo, the yellow one is the best.